I'm going to make the teriyaki sea bass today. I have about 10 ounce sea bass, 1.5 tablespoon green onion, half ounce of ginger. For the sauce, I use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mayo sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a mix. Then I'm going to put a pinch of salt in it and pinch of red pepper. Put it on the other side. Then I put some cornstarch in it. About 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, that looks good. Right now. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in it. And I put the skin in the bottom first. You pan fry it until you see the bottom, the edge, turn it brown a little bit, but now it's not quite ready yet. When you see the bottom brown a little bit, then you flip it over another side. Okay, you see the edge there, they are brown a little bit. You see they turn it to golden brown. That means they are ready to turn it to the other side. Okay, let's wait until they turn pan fry until they turn golden brown again. Okay, let me take a look at it. They look really good right now. So I'm gonna, looks good. Gonna turn it to the other side. Then I'm gonna stir fry some ginger in it. Then I stir fry some onion. Then I put some sauce in it. Then I cover it for a minute. Okay, this is already a minute, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, that's what I make today, the teriyaki sea bass.